Welcome to our Model Magic Greek pottery lesson with Miss Tarnowski. Let's get started. First, today, you're going to get a ball of Model Magic in your chosen color. You're going to get a paper to write your name on, and you need a pencil. So the first step I'm going to do is write Miss S. I know that this is mine. Now, I'm going to show you a strategy to create your pot. However, yours might be a different shape or a different size than mine, depending on how quickly you work and how big or small or wide or skinny you want to make it. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch off a piece and I'm going to roll it. And then I'm going to make a snake, it's actually called a coil. Can we all say coil? Nice job. When you make a coil, you roll from the tips of your fingers all the way down to your palm of your hand. You want to make it even pressure. That means how hard you press. And I keep going, and now I'm going to start using two hands. Now, if I roll really fast, only in one part, what's going to happen is I get two skinny parts and one big old part of my coil. So I want to make sure to roll it evenly so it's all the same size. Once you get your coil rolled, I'm going to make the base of my coil pot. Now, I'm just going to twirl it almost like a snail shell until I get it the size that I want. So I made it, I think, a great size. If you want to make yours bigger, you could just keep going and add more coil to the outside, but I'm going to get started. Place it on my paper so my pot doesn't stick to the table and do it again. Now I'm going to pinch it, roll it, and attach it. Can you all say pinch it, roll it, and attach it? Nice job. That's going to help us remember what we need to do. I rolled my coil evenly. I'm going to start to press it on top. That's the attach part of our Greek pot. And I'm going to keep it going around and around and around until it stops. And I need to do it all over again. What do I do first? I pinch it. What do I do next? I roll it. And do I go really fast back and forth just in the middle? No. See how this lopsided coil? I really want to do it evenly. Now I got to get the sides. I'm moving my hands all around while I'm rolling my coil. And then I find the spot where my coil stopped. And I keep going. So I put it on top. Now, this is where your pots might start to look different, right? You might have a taller pot, you might have a skinnier pot, you might have a wider pot. You can see. What do I do next? I pinch it. What do I do next? I roll it. And last but not least, I attach it. So I find off where I left off. I stick the coil right on top. Now, I need to be really gentle with Model Magic. It's really soft right now. Next week, when you get this back, it's going to be pretty hard. I don't think I need to pinch this anymore. All right, so I'm going to roll this. Oh, maybe I do. It's kind of big. Roll it. If your coils start to get too long, you could always pinch them in half and make them a little tinier if they're easier to work on that way. Put them on like this. And finally, I'm going to finish this off. Now, once you finish your pot, if you want to make sure it's all put together all right, the last thing we're going to do, right, is pick it up, make sure it's not stuck. You can rotate it around, see how it looks. Next week, when these are a little bit more hard, we are going to decorate them. Good luck today. You're going to do an awesome job.